Hi friends, welcome back to the part 2 of this tutorial series wherein we will be discussing on how to install Angular and Ionic on your local machine. Okay, so the first thing that you would need is the Node.js framework, which you can download and install from this nodejs.org official site. So I'm using this the version number 10. Okay, so once you install it, uh, download and install it, then you need to go to this Angular CLI website, that's cli.angular.io, and from a command prompt or terminal in a machine, preferably an admin prompt. Okay, so you need to do is copy this commandlet, okay, and paste it here and install it. So this will install the latest version of Angular, that's currently version number 8. Okay, but the tutorial that I'm showing you is built on Angular 7, although it has got no differences. Even if you install Angular 8, it should work in the exact same way. So once that is done, you need to head on to this website, that's ionicframework.com/docs/installation/CLI, or you can simply search on Google like Ionic installation. You should get this link. Okay, and this is the commandlet to install Ionic on a machine. So npm is the package manager that will come along with the installation of Node. So it's always recommended that you install Node in the very first place. So once that is done, in the next part I'll show you from where you can download WooCommerce, okay, and how to enable the REST API. So till then, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.